Cars with the Big Trev to air on KTN Home. The show will focus on cars, and the show will run from 6:30 p.m. on Sunday. And of course, it is about the automotive world, the new baby on the Standard Group, and is being unveiled today. The show by the name Cars with Big Boy Trev is set to air on KTN Home every Sunday as from 6:30 p.m.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hi. Thank you. Once again, I just want to thank all of you guys here for coming today. I am Trevor's co-host. It's been a dream that we've had together. And there's a saying that if you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go together. And based on what you're seeing here today, all of this it has come out of a partnership between me and Trevor. And we are hoping that we can take this theme of partnership forward. So between us as CBBT, Standard Group, and all our partners here together, what we can do together is going to be quite amazing. So I just want to say thank you. Again, big shout out to our crew. I have to, Trevor, if you'll allow me to mention our crew by name. There's our guy here, Director of Photography, Mr. Mike Joroge. Let's just have a round of applause for him. Everything you're seeing, most of the time you'll just see me and Trevor, but behind the camera is in the able hands of Mike Joroge over here. Then we have our producer, Brian, over there. Let's wave, and guys. Helped us a lot during season 1. And then next to Brian over there, we have Jeff. Jeff is our editor. So all the stuff that you're seeing comes from his hands. Not Jeff, sorry, that's Olo, sorry, my apologies. There's also Jeff, who is on his way here. And then there's Benjamin Oluga, who is our line producer. He's currently in the UK. He handles a lot of the stuff that we do when we step out of the country occasionally. I just want you guys, please, just to give a round of applause to our crew, because they're the guys that you don't see. But to be very honest, everything you see comes from the work they are doing in conjunction with us guys. All we do is smile in front of the camera and say a few interesting things, but these are the guys who put in the work. These are the guys who are with us in early mornings, late nights, weekends. This is the team, and we are hoping, like I said before, to push this partnership forward. The theme for KTN is Welcome Home, and I think from the reception we have over here, I just want to say we feel very welcome. We feel that we are at home. So thank you to the team at KTN. Thank you to the team at the Standard Group. And let me hand over now to my able partner, Trevor, to take us through the next phase of our partnership today.
Okay. Bureki deserves a round of applause. Tafadhali. Thank you. Thank you. As I wind up, Louis Pasteur, who was a French scientist, said, chance favors the prepared mind. And that is what we came ready for audiences, ready for the market. We're going to give you the best. Stuff that you've never seen. If there's any exclusive car that is being launched in the world, we are there. And episode 1 will show you where we are. We are truly international, truly Kenyan. And that's our theme running across all the seasons that are going to come on KTN Home into the foreseeable future. So, karibu sana, thank you. And as we are just about to do some ceremony here, for our partners, feel free, get in touch with us. Mark is here. If you need any content that needs to be highlighted in the show, talk to Mark, talk to us. We'll come up with a solution for you and make sure that you have the best visibility across board. So with that, thank you very much, and I'll now hand over to Abby for the rest of the program. Thank you.
Let's give them a better round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This show will be fire. Tell your neighbor, fire. 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 I'm saying this because I've just done my math. You know, I'm a business journalist. The amount of value right in our compound this morning, all the cars here, is coming to 93 million shillings. All these cars, if you were to sell them today, Mr. Munene, this is 93 million shillings. So you can imagine what a great start. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's remember our hashtag is Welcome Home CBBT. Let's keep tweeting, let's keep engaging. I want to acknowledge the arrival of some of our key directors as well. We have our HR director, Mr. Nicholas Iwatom. He's with us this morning. Let's just give him a round of applause. And of course, to our HR director, would like to see our parking looking like this in future. How Silvio? And next to him, we have the man with the bass. That is Tom Japani, just waved to us, in charge of radio. And we also had, I think, our director for strategy, Mr. Ben Omolo. I think he's walked out, but let's appreciate him. This, of course, tells you, Big Trev, that you have the full support of the leadership at Standard Media Group. Well, I was saying this show will be fire because our next speaker is called Joe Fire. And he is the marketing, he's a marketing officer from DT Dobby, one of our key partners in this particular new show that we are having. Let's appreciate him, Mr. Joe, as you make your way to the podium. A better round of applause for him.
Okay, thank you for that. When I came today this morning, I didn't expect I'll be making a speech, let alone in front of the cameras. So thank you for that, everyone. Just want to say a few things. We've been collaborating with Bobby and Trevor for, I think, a few years now, and we want to say thanks a lot because we want to kind of change the perception of what owning a brand new car is all about. So DT Dobby, this year we launched the new Polo Vivo and the new Caddy. And these are entry-level cars which are brand new and very affordable. From 1.6 million, you can have a brand new car from the showroom with a warranty. And part of shows like this is that we want to try and let people know that it's possible to own a brand new car, and it's not the reserve of the rich. And we kind of want to change the perception that owning a car, you don't always automatically have to think about second-hand vehicles. You just can, you can walk into DT Dobby, walk into, of course, all our other, colleagues in the motor industry and just see what else is there. Because a lot of us have a perception that a car from the showroom has to be very expensive. Another thing is, for us, DT Dobby anyway, is that we are turning 70 years old in 20.
All right, that is a new baby on the Standard Group, especially a sister station, KTN Home, that will be airing every Sunday from 6:30 p.m. The show is Cars with the Big Boy Trev. It is a show that I'm sure that you really don't want to miss every Sunday from 6:30 p.m.